Now that we've moved in a little closer, of course, we're going to start with my Clinique ID hydrating jelly just to prep our skin and moisturize. For our primer today, we're going to be using the No Problem Prime Essence Flower Extract Oil thing. It's made of Calendula officinalis flower extract. I don't know what kind of flower that is, but it's kind of like an oil, if you can see. It's like a jelly oil, and this stuff is very, very hydrating, which is so nice because my skin is super dry right now. But yeah, we're going to just prime our face. For foundation today, I'm going to be using the Estee Lauder Double Wear Stay in Place makeup in the shade 3 and 2 Wheat. And I'm going to pour this on my little thing here. And then I'm using my Real Techniques sponge to blend that on my face. Now that the foundation is all blended out, we're going to take, of course, my ColourPop No Filter Concealer in the color Light and conceal our face. Now that our concealer is all blended out, I'm going to take the Born This Way powder from Too Faced in the color Translucent and set my under eyes. Now that I set my under eyes, we're going to move on to my brows. I'm actually going to go off camera and do this because you've seen me do this a whole bunch of times, but I'm going to be using my Anastasia Dip Brow Pomade in dark brown, so I will be right back with my brows done. Now that our brows are all done, I'm going to take this powder brush and dust any excess powder off my face and then set it with the same Born This Way powder. So MAC recently just came out with a new scent for their setting spray, their Fix Plus, for summer, and I have the pineapple one and the watermelon one. Today I think I'm going to use the pineapple one because pineapple is my favorite fruit. So we're just going to spray this on our face and set it. That just drenched my face, as you can see. I'm going to use a little sponge here and kind of like pat it in. Now that my face is set with that setting spray, I feel like the actual spray, spritzer, needs to be fixed, or I don't know what happened, but I got drenched, so I had to put more powder on my face to make sure I don't look super just wet, if that makes sense. But now we are going to move on to the eyes, and I'm going to be using the new Alyssa Edwards palette by Anastasia, and we're going to kind of do just a fun look today. I don't know exactly what I want to do, play with some fun stuff. Alright, so we're going to go in with the color Unicorn Tribe. It's kind of like a purplish, mauve-y pink color, so we're going to be putting that first all over our crease. That color blended out really, really well. It's super pigmented and really nice. I mean, I wouldn't expect anything less from Anastasia. But now we're going to take the same brush and go in with, I believe, I don't know if I want to do a blue or purple. I think we're going to go in with a purple color. It's called Believe, and we're going to put that right on the lower crease and outer corner, lower crease, outer corner, and kind of build that up. Wow, that color is absolutely beautiful. As you can see, it's super pigmented, blends out really, really nice. And yeah, so far I'm really impressed. Now I think we're going to do a cut crease, a white cut crease. So I'm going to grab, for the white cut crease, I'm going to use the ColourPop No Filter Concealer in the color Fair 00, and it's literally just a white concealer. And I'm going to be using a flat brush to carve out a half cut crease, just right up until that purple right here. Alright, now that we have that white concealer on there, it's a little bit messy, but it's fine because we'll put white eyeshadow over it. So I'm going to take another kind of flat, dense brush. This one is from the Vintage Cosmetic Company. And I'm going to use the color Headliners, this white shade right here, and set the concealer with it. Now that the concealer is set, I'm going to go back in with that purple color Believe and blend out the edges here. Now that the eyeshadow is done, I'm going to be taking my black eyeliner. It's the Man Eater from Tarte, and be doing a winged liner. Now that my wings are on, I'm going to take my Ardell lashes. These are the Wispies. I've had this pair for a little while, so they're a little beat up, but they still work great. And I'm going to be putting some falsies on. Now that my lashes are on, we're going to take the Lights Camera Lashes Mascara by Tarte and marry our real lashes to our fake ones. Now that our eyes are done, we're going to move on to the rest of our face. I'm going to take the Tarte Pro Glow Series 3 and this contour shade and contour my face. I'm going to move on to blush now. I'm using the Alamar Cosmetics Colorette Blush Trio. And I'm going to go in with this lighter shade called Seclusion with a blush brush from BH Cosmetics. And last but not least, we are going to highlight our face. I'm going to take the Disney Villains ColourPop Super Chalk Highlighter in the shade Fairest of All. It's the Evil Queen color. It's like a goldish champagne. Take a brush and highlight our face. Our highlight is done, and our very, very last step is our lips. So I'm going to take the NYX Liquid Lipstick in Liquid Suede in the color Soft Spoken, and it's just a normal nude lip, and we're going to put that on. So that's going to conclude our makeup look. Everything is literally like perfect. I love how this look came out. It's definitely something different. I haven't done like cut creases like this like at all, so I think it came out pretty well. But yeah, so if you want to subscribe and if you loved this video, please give it a thumbs up. Subscribe right here in the little circle. If you want to check out my last video, you can click right here. All my social media links will be in the down bar right here at the beginning of the video. But yeah, I will see you on Wednesday with a brand new video.